Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nafis Al Rahman. Last 40 years of one at online from Daffodil International University. So we catch up from the last session that we have conducted. This is my second lab information. The first lab we have created, deleted some data inserts from the drop table. We drop the whole table, inserted data from the table. But from I on this session, first one I use the how we can read data from the table. In my table, there is some data. So first we have to use the select. This star means everything from section H. Now I don't want to use where for now. This reads everything from the section H. Now if we want to read just the IDs from here, so select ID from section H. It selects all the IDs from the section H. So now here comes the where part. Using where this acts as a condition where we put the condition. Let's say where ID equal 189. Now if you do this, as you see, all the IDs with 1899 have been shown. There is an ID with 500 which didn't show here. Now I wanna use update for this function. Let me just use delete real quick. So for delete, we don't need to use star or any specific names because for delete, it deletes the whole row. So delete from section H where ID equal 500. Okay. So see, one row deleted. If we refresh the page here, the 500 is gone. Now I wanna update update section H set. I wanna set the ID to let's say I don't care about the rest. Where is the right? So it should update the rows with Tanjim name and set its ID to 1848. Let's see if it changes. Currently it is 1899. If we update it, it's 1848. So these parts have gone. Now we will use the order by function. We use select. I wanna select what? Let's say ID name. I don't care or name phone from section H where ID equal 1899. By default, it orders as in ascending order, but if in any case we wanna see in the descending order, then we have to do this order by. I wanna order it by as all the IDs are same. I wanna order it by name. Okay, order by name disk. Not the full descending one, just DSC. So see, the name has been showing in descending order. Now is moving Maspa. In the normal format it should show Nafis Mespa Mobin. Alright, now it comes to a group by. I wanna select, and here also comes the part of aggregate functions. There are basically 5 aggregate functions: count, sum, average, mean and max. So let's start with a count. Alright, select, this is the aggregate function count. I wanna count the IDs, how many time it appears, as this counts from counts, and I wanna count it from the ID. Alright, so ID from section H, we will use group by ID. Now if you run it, if you see the ID and the counts, the 1848 has appeared one times and 1899 has appeared three times. We also can see the average and others, but it will not work at this moment. Let me just adjust some couple of insert real quick. 1565. Right, we've inserted the data. Now let, and I have to write it again. Select on account ID as counts, it will show up as counts, and that's a name from section H, group by name. Alright, so here what I'm doing, I'm counting the IDs which will show in a row counts and the name which will group by names. Okay, now if we run it, see Mesbah has come only once, Movin came 5 times, Nafis 1, Tanjim 1. So this is the count function. Now if we do the max, see the Mobin with max number. We have also several Mobin with 1565, 155. It didn't show. It showed only the max number. If we show the mean, it will show the minimum number. Or we can also use average here. See the average of Mobin. There is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of the numbers average came to 41, 49.8. And same for the sum, it will sum up everything. All right, now we used the select and group by functions. There is a word called distinct. Okay, so I wanna select distinct ID from section H. There is no distinct ID here. Okay, means everything unique. Sorry, my bad. I used the wrong colon here. See, oh, here is the IDs backslash IDs with distinct. We have 1565. double times, 1899, triple times, but it comes only once. We can also take out the name. For example, here Mobin came only once, but here we have Mobin 5 times. So this distinct keyword does uh, goes through the list and keeps only one of its member. Now I will use the between function, which is also to read the data from the table. I want to select let's name from section H, where ID between 1800 and 1900. But there shouldn't be much. Oh, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we run it, there is only 4 data with IDs between 1800 and 1900. We can delete from section H where ID between 1800 1850. I adjusted so that it removes only one data. One row deleted. Now if I kept the old prompt like 1800 and 1900, it would remove all these 1819 integers. Okay. We can also update section. Let me just remove all those. Set ID 18 1793 where name equal master. Okay, so we updated. Now actually what I wanna show our name must be where ID between 1700 and 1800. Wait, name. Oh, sorry, the name has already been masked, so it doesn't change anything. Let me just change the name to Anjim. Currently, the name is masked by. If we see now, we click the go, it updated, and now it's Tanjim. All right. So this basically covers most of the thing, but there is a single thing we should do. That's union. So let me for this we need two tables, right? Let me create a table. Let's create a table with me. Section G ID INT name varchar. So here I wanna add a unique thing to understand primary key and how auto increment works. Okay, so let's say I just name ID, or let's say auto ID. Okay, it will be a int. Let's say 5 un unsigned. The values will be all positive from it will start from 0, otherwise it will start from -5. Okay, unsigned, I just put auto increment and it set it to a primary key, end of bracket. I created my table. Let's go to the auto ID. I don't need it. Okay, because I have already set it to auto. Name, let's say and value to all right. So I have two sections with section G is column and table. Now if we see here section G browse, the auto IDs 1, 2, 3. I didn't do it. It automatically adjusted. It needed. Okay, now we'll do the union function. Now select ID from section G where form equal 0. Let's just take ID. This, and I want a union it with one section H in it. So the what this did, selected the IDs where the Nafis name is here in both. Now if you wanna see the name better, here Mespa is ID 1899 and here Tanjim is 1793. Let me just adjust the name to Tanjim. So we will see the two differences. For union, it will connect everything. So from both of the table, it will bring the IDs. Now if we put intersect, it intersects nothing because there's obviously the difference. And there's the third thing that we should see, that is except. it will show everything except IDs except the name Tanjim. Okay, so 1899. Okay, it basically did from the section G. The Tanjim IDs have came, but if there is any ID in, let's say, in section H with 1899 Tanjim, it would not show. Let me show it to you. The Nafis is in both of the tables, so it will do nothing because it should show the name Nafis from section G, but we have make an exception that from section H, if we found Nafis, that will be removed. Okay, thank you everyone. That's everything from me today, and hope I will see you soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.